Here's the raw, unfiltered behind the scenes of our £20,000 Honda Civic build and the struggles we faced along the way. No scripts, no fake hype, just a real journey of making this project happen. If that's your kind of content, sit back and enjoy.
Undo it.
All I'm looking for is that and that thing spinning inside.
Yeah, as long as both sides are spinning. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's spinning.
But the point is, it worked then.
That's what I'm on about.
It can't break.
Has it worked with that clutch in it before?
It's a brand new clutch.
I think the clutch is fine because you can go into gear and it's spinning the gears in the gearbox, and the speedo's moving as you're doing it. As you change gear, it goes in. Put it in 60, it shoots up to 60 mile an hour.
Do you think something to do with the drive shaft potentially, or the gearbox? It can't be gearbox.
It lies between where the drive shaft goes into the gearbox, somewhere in there.
Maybe it's not in properly. You can't even move the wheel, so that's the only choice from getting this car moving. Bang, bang.
F1.
Oh, no, yeah. Ooh. See, the drive shaft's working fine for that. Hold on.
Really spinning nice, don't it?
Yeah.
Flush.
There you go. Spinning nice. Okay, so we've got man Andrew underneath here. And we realised that the drive shaft wasn't put in. Tell a lie. Jamin told us it could be a drive shaft issue, the gearbox side, because it's the common issue with Hondas. So he told us, and he's right. So now,
what I need to do is I need someone to
hammer.
Put the screwdriver in there.
Yeah, yeah.
And then hammer it as I hold it in the gearbox.
Here you go. Whoever, anybody.
I'm closer, bro. Don't you worry.
Right, hammer it now.
Okay. All right. So that's going in. It just went in.
You need to take the shaft all the way out. Then stick the splines on it. You jack it up a bit more if you want. No wonder all you two don't worry. Go around it. Nice. So we need to
pick you up.
We need to have something to put the wheel on.
I'll get some wheels. Does it have to be a wheel? Can this be a rubber?
It could be a rubber. So it needs to hold the whole hub.
Use a Skyline tyre. You want whoa! There you go. You want tyres? £10 tyre guys.
Oh.
You said it.
It's all about the noises. Put my leg in the wire.
Why ain't it coming off?
See if that's coming. We're in? You're in? We're in? The ball joints at the top.
Actually, mechanics.
Okay. So the hub is what everything will bolt to. So the track rod will bolt to it, the shock, the ball joints, all sorts like that.
We are moving! Car's loaded up, we are in the whip, we're on our way to big man thing performance, and let's hope that we get there because it's another mission, dark mission as well. Swing up light, oh geez, okay, let's go. We made it to big man thing performance, 6-ton trailer, bring it down, fire it up, let's bring her down. Yeah, I'm a break. Keep going.
There you go.
Turn it. Oh.
That is the size of my head, that isn't it? Literally. What brake horsepower is this then?
About 1500, 1600.
1500, 1600. Wow. Look at that, man. Drinks on deck, man. Come on, he's got one as well. We're munching tonight on the way back to the HQ. So we are inside the unit right now, changing a whole bunch of stuff. He's carrying tools everywhere. No, go ahead, go ahead. So we got Kyle over here. The plan is to get the table from here and put it all across there, because there's so much mess in here. Look at this. Absolute madness. I'm a hoarder for life, by the way, and then everything's going to be all across here. So I've got to saw all these exhaust pipes out by sawing them, cutting them to make more space. So let's get to work. There we go, look at that exhaust. Stainless steel. But the table is here. Day 2 to clean up the unit. Look at all this mess. Got Kyle over there as well. So we're trying to start up the S14 because it's been parked here for so long. But we just need to move the S14 across there so we can get the EG across there. And then we'll have a bit more space next to the table where we can have racks there. Just to show you guys how it's been parked up. That's how long it's been parked up. So the EG is there now, nice, perfectly. So right now we are building the, oh, it's called. Don't worry. Right, there is the first rack completed, and now it's time to go onto the wall now. We're now doing the second rack. Go on.
This shelf's smaller from Timu, but the wood's a better fit
Yeah, I think so too, man.
and stronger than that one.
It's a bit smaller. There we go. Yeah, boy. That is looking sick. If you enjoyed the video and have any recommendations, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Peace.